Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create X account. So guys, the first thing that you will do is open the application. And once you open the application, you will be able to see here guys, create account. So just simply tap on create account. And now from here, just simply select your language. And if you want to see more, you can tap on show more over here. And you will have here various options that X application have to offer. So I'm going to go for English and tap on next. And after that, just simply provide the name. So I'm going to go for helpful tutorials, let's say, and I'm going to go for the email. And down below, just simply provide the date of birth. And after that, just tap on next. And now guys, from here, a verification code will be sent to your email. So now I'm just gonna go for my Gmail app. And now guys, it will look something like this. So as you can see, it is 88404. So I'm gonna go back to the application and provide 88404. And now just tap on next. And after that, just simply create your password, guys. So I'm just gonna provide a password that I like and just simply tap on sign up once you are done. So guys, from here, you can actually upload a profile picture already. But if you want to do that later, you can just tap on skip for now. And from here, guys, just simply provide a username that is unique for you. I'm gonna go for help tutorial 00, and from here just tap on next and tap on continue. And from here guys, it will let you follow one account in order for you to have it on your feed. So I'm gonna go for Ben and Ben. Let's say I'm tap on next. And from there guys, you will be able to create an X account, and that's simply about it. You'll be able to access the application, and there you go. You'll be able to create an account. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!